At the end of the year, when you create your digital portfolio from ClassMon, ClassMon will automatically include all your observation photos in a photo show. And it's fantastic. It's no work for the educator. They just have to click a checkbox and it includes all those photos in a photo show. But what if you've got more photos that aren't in observations? So you've taken all these photos of the child throughout the year and you want to send those photos home within the portfolio. So I'm just going to show you a really simple tip that will help you do this quickly and easily. So first step is to open up PowerPoint. Now this does assume that you have PowerPoint because it uses a PowerPoint photo album feature. Now when creating slideshows in PowerPoint, most users are used to inserting pictures one at a time by clicking the picture icon and inserting from their hard drive. That's the slow method of building a PowerPoint slideshow that contains just images. The quick method is to use the photo album feature. So we click photo album, then click on the file disk button, so insert pictures from, and then we browse to the folder where we've got all our photos. Then we select the photos we want to use, and I'm going to select them all by clicking the first photo, then just scrolling down to the last photo I want, holding down Shift on my keyboard, and then clicking the last photo, and that will now highlight all the photos. Then I click the insert button and they will now appear in the list. You can click on any of the photos and use any of the edit tools, so you can rotate images or colorize or change the brightness of the images. You can also choose how you want the pictures to view in each slide. You could put 2 or 4 pictures or pictures with titles. You've got a few different options there. I'm just going to leave it fit to slide and hit create. So you can see within a few seconds I've created a slideshow. If I run the slideshow, we have a title and we have all our photos and they're all done for us. From here we may also want to make each slide transition automatically. So you click on the transition tab, choose a transition that you'd like, say the crossfade. Duration of the crossfade, 0.7 is fine, and then we want it to advance the slide every, I'll just put it 2 seconds so that we can see the change. And will apply to all the slides. You'll see that it's now put an icon there to show that it's made a transition. So when we now look at the slideshow, you'll see that the slide automatically transitions to the next slide. So that's great for when the parents are viewing that, it will automatically play for them. The other important thing when you make slideshows to send home, when you save your file, click the Save As button and save it as a PowerPoint show, and I'd even choose PowerPoint 97 to 2003, and that's a PPS show. You can see the reason you do this is because if you send home a PPT, which is a PowerPoint file, or a PPTX, which is a PowerPoint 2010 file, then the family or the person who's looking at this file needs to have PowerPoint to view it. Whereas if you save as a PowerPoint show, PowerPoint Show 2003, then anyone can view that file just by double clicking it and it will open up the PowerPoint slideshow automatically. So if we create that, and I'll just put that onto my desktop photo albums. So I save that, and then in ClassMon, if I come back into ClassMon, I can now go to my links button and browse to the desktop and find the Adam photo album. There it is there. It's a PPS file. So I bring that into ClassMon. Here it is here. I can put a description in. And I can save that to Adam or any of the children's portfolios. And I apply that. And now when I look at the portfolio for Adam, here's the intro to the portfolio. Skip the intro, into the portfolio. Now if I click on my links button, you can see I've now got an extra link here, which is the slideshow. I click that, and that automatically runs the slideshow that I've just created. So it's a really quick way of including all those photos in a simple slideshow.